I will be doing something completely crazy. I'm going to be dyeing my hair brown by myself. I've never dyed my hair before. This is my natural blonde hair. The good news is this is only supposed to last up to 6 weeks, and so if I do something horrible, it should wash out. I'm actually really excited to switch things up, and I think this color will look pretty good, hopefully. I guess we'll find out. Okay, so I just changed into this shirt that I don't really care about, and then the first thing I'm gonna do is moisturize my hairline just so that it doesn't stain my skin. Okay, so I'm gonna pour all of this brown dye into this foam bottle and then shake it for 2 seconds and put it in my hair. Gloves back on. I promise I'm not having an identity crisis. I just genuinely think this will be fun and hopefully look good. My hair will be back in a few weeks to its normal blonde, and yeah, so it looks kind of gross, to be honest. Not loving that. But let's see. This is looking really dark. Time for the back. The back is the scariest part because you can't see it as well. So I better get the whole area. So at this point, I feel like I have completely saturated my head and all of my hair. So I'm gonna wait 30 minutes. If I want to, I can, the bottle said if you want to have it a little bit darker, you can reapply a little bit more after 30 minutes and leave it for an extra 15. So I may go ahead and do that just because I know it's gonna get a lot lighter when I wash it out. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm starting to get really nervous because I'm starting to not recognize myself. I've always had blonde hair, and to just see this dark hair right now is really throwing me off. Okay, time to rinse it out. And then I'm gonna style it, and that will be the final review. Okay y'all, this is the final look. It's just a light brown. It's still almost blonde golden, you can see, and I'm really happy with how it came out. Nothing too dramatic, so it's not like shocking me or anything, and it should grow out nicely without having any weird like blonde and then dark brown or anything like that. It's just a nice subtle change. Thank you all for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos in the future, go ahead and subscribe. Anyway, love you guys. Bye!